This is what I'm making for a nice Thanksgiving dessert. I'm having 5 kid-sized Bartlett pear. You can use any variety of pear you want. Just peel it and then dice it into bite-sized pieces. And then I also put in 1 tablespoon of corn starch and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice to give the pear from discoloring. And then we're going to toss it around. So once the cornstarch and the lemon juice go into the pear, and then I already add a 1/4 cup of granulated sugar to give it this a little sweeter for the pear. And my family don't want any sweet because I'm going to make sure to see how that goes. And then we're going to set that aside. And then we're going to prepare the caramel sauce. Now to make the caramel sauce in the saucepan over low heat, I already put 3/4 cups of caramel bits. You want to melt it until you get the caramels go much faster because it's much easier to unwrap. The caramels almost getting melted for it. I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of heavy cream. I just lowered the heat because I don't want to burn the caramel. You just want to keep stirring it together. We got the caramel sauce almost ready to done. You can see how smooth that was. And then all you have to do, just pour the caramel sauce to the pear has been already tossed with lemon juice, cornstarch, and the white sugar. I want to make sure to coat the pears into the caramel sauce because it's going to be extra caramel flavor. And let's just scrape the sides of the saucepan. I'm using with the rubber spatula. It's easy to scrape it down for cleaning section. And we're just going to toss that in together. You can see the caramels all coated into after the lemon juice and the cornstarch and the sugar. And then we're going to put it into 8 or 9 inch square pan. Has been already greased. I just going to spray with some cookie spray. So let's just pour this pear filling into the pan. I'm going to make with the Caramel Pear Crisp because it's going to be nice and lovely taste of the crispy pear. We're going to prepare for the streusel toppings, and then I'm going to spray that all the way into the pan for this edge. So now to make the streusel toppings, I'm putting a 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour with about a 1/4 cup of firmly packed light brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. I'm going to break the sugar to the flour and the cinnamon, and then we're going to cut out some butter. Now I'm going to cut 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter that I brought to room temperature, and then we're going to break up the butter into the flour, sugar, and the cinnamon mixture until you get resemble coarse crumbs. Got the butter cut into the flour, sugar, and cinnamon. You get resemble coarse crumbs. You can see that. Now lastly, we're going to put in 1/2 cup of quick oats, and then we're just going to keep stir that together, well coated into the streusel. So the streusel topping is almost there, and then let's just put it into this on top of the pear. I preheat the oven for 350 degrees Fahrenheit. You want to make sure its oven is preheated. We're going to sprinkle the streusel toppings right on top of the pear filling, and then we're going to put it into the oven. Alright, in the oven it goes for 45 to 50 minutes. It looks just perfectly done. After it's 45 to 50 minutes, I just took it out of the oven and then put it on a cooling rack to cool completely. And as you can see, the caramel sauce just starts to bubbles up into the streusel toppings, right into the pear. And we're going to let this cool on wire rack, and then we're going to serve it. But I decided to bring it for the Thanksgiving party, even the Christmas for the holiday season for this week. And I'm going to bring it into it and see how it looks. So, what do you think the caramel pie crisp?
It's really good.
Really good. Give it a big thumbs up for everyone, right? There you go.
House secret recipe. It's the bomb.
The bomb.
The bomb.
All right. Let's try Victor and see how it looks in here.
Very good. Yeah. I can't wait to check the ice cream and lactose.
All right. So, if you're interested in recipe about Caramel Pear Crisp, let me know in the comments below. Give it a big thumbs up for everyone, and make sure to subscribe to my channel, and I hope you enjoy. So I hear Lisa said it is really good.
She was peeling the apples by hand,
by the way,
cut into half.
don't forget to serve with some ice cream on the caramel pear pie.
And then she used a knife.
And
It's a little bit
enjoy yummy caramel pear pie.